Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we need to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon or square icon. It appears either here or here. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. All you need to do is to tap on clear all, then open the recents, and I didn't really tap on clear all, just tap on it. And here we've got the information, and as you can see, here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.